Hello guys, it's been a while. A little update on the backup camera that I replaced like 2 years ago, maybe a little over that. Here's a problem, it's not working right. I'll show you what the reason is. It's pretty simple to remove it. There's a previous video on that. So here's the problem. This is the replacement camera I got. Actually, this is a genuine camera. You can see the cable here, how it is secured. Pretty solid. This is a genuine Honda camera that I'm putting back again after using this one for a little over 2 years. This one has a better resolution, and so yeah, this is the update. You can see this is the one that I was talking about buying it off some seller. That there is the problem. It keeps disconnecting, and with this one you cannot have the guidelines from Honda that you have on the screen. This is a genuine Honda. Look at the cable, how more solid it is. So yeah, this is a genuine Honda camera. I don't like it because when it's really dark and there is some light source, it's too bright. I don't know why it shows it like that, but it seems like I have to put it back. So yeah, there is a video on YouTube like when I installed this camera a long time ago, and you know, it was a lot better to see in the dark, but it seems like the bad cable here, that is the problem. So I'm just gonna put back the old camera and have the, you know, dynamic guidelines while backing up on again, and that's basically it. Yeah, removing it is pretty simple. So yeah, the camera goes here behind. There are like 2 bolts, one here, one here. You know, that's basically it to remove them. And then you just pull this a little bit, garnish. You gotta wash the car. I'm not removing it completely because there's no reason for that. But yeah, I'm gonna put back the camera. A lot of people are asking me like how it is. After like 6-7 months, it was all good, but I guess this cable was moving because it goes from back here. So it goes from back here to this. So that keeps moving, that cable, and that probably caused it. But yeah, I'm going back with the genuine camera, genuine Honda camera. Unfortunately, I wish there was a better camera, a reliable camera on the market. Okay, this is the problem with the camera I installed a while ago. Look at all this. See all that? Because the cable was moving, it's not secured properly. So that was the problem. Otherwise, the resolution is pretty good. But yeah, there's a new camera back on. And back on the old Honda camera. This is back on the old camera. The guidelines were off because the camera was a little different. The resolution is not the best. It's not okay. It's not the worst, but it's definitely better, especially at night, on the one I just removed that I installed like a few years ago. But as you can see, the cables are pretty bad. So yeah, we're back using the Honda original genuine camera, backup camera. Okay, thank you for watching. So yeah, don't buy the, or if you buy the camera that I have it in the link when I installed it, make sure you secure that cable. Like, use a lot of silicone around it so it doesn't move, because it won't last. All right, bye.